Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates to your workspace so they can start submitting expenses and following your company's policy. A quick note before we begin, you'll need to be a workspace admin or have permission to manage members. If something doesn't look the same on your screen, that's usually a permissions issue or a collapsed menu. First, open New Expensify and sign in if you're prompted. You'll land on the home view. On the left-hand side, look for the Workspaces section in the navigation. If your sidebar is minimized, hover or click to expand it so you can see the labels. You may need to scroll a bit if you have a lot of items in the menu. Go ahead and click Workspaces to open your list. You'll see the workspaces you have access to. Choose the one you want to manage. In this walkthrough, I'm opening a sample workspace, but you should select the workspace where you want to add your new user. Inside the workspace, move to the Members area. You'll typically find this along the top or in the workspace navigation. The Members page is where you can see everyone who currently has access along with their status. Now click Invite Member. This opens the invite flow. In the email field, type the person's work email address. Take a moment to double check spelling and make sure you're using the correct company domain. Invites are sent to the exact address you enter, so accuracy matters to avoid delays. When you're ready, click Next. You'll see a simple confirmation screen. Depending on your setup, you may see space for an optional message. Keep it short and clear if you choose to add one. The key action here is to proceed with the invite. Finally, click Invite. Expensify will send an invitation to the email you provided. The person will appear in your members list, usually marked as invited until they accept. Once they join, their status updates automatically, and they can begin using the workspace according to your policies. If the invitee doesn't receive the email promptly, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and confirm you entered the correct address. Also, if you don't see the members or invite options at all, reach out to your organization's Expensify admin to confirm your permissions. That's it. Open New Expensify, head to your workspace, go to Members, invite by email, click Next, and then Invite. Thanks for watching, and happy expense managing.